Great news for data analyst and data scientist. Google Colab is now inside VS Code. You can develop notebooks in your favorite editor and run them on Colab's GPUs and TPUs. Faster experiment, smoother workflows, and easier project management, all in one place. With Colab inside VS Code, training ML models becomes faster and easier. You can code in a full IDE, manage projects, and run heavy training on Colab's GPUs, TPUs. This gives a smoother workflow and a better way to learn, test, and build machine learning models.